Now there are many ways to resize an image. You can use the hotkey command T for Macintosh or Control T on Windows. If you don't use hotkeys, you can always go to the menu at the top of the Photoshop window, click Edit, then Free Transform to resize the layer you need to adjust. If you hold Shift, Photoshop will release the function that allows an image to scale at an equal rate. You can also go to Image at the top of the window, then select Image Size. You can use the window on the left to look at your image up close if you want to. If you don't want to read the dimensions units in pixels, you can click on the arrow next to Dimensions and choose your preference. This only changes the reading unit, not the units of the actual change of dimensions. Mostly useful for unit conversions. There are presets if you want to choose a specific standardized size for this image in the Fit To setting below. If none of those work, you can manually put in your own size by inputting the number for width and height. The chain icon on the left will scale proportionally. When you turn off resampling, changing the width and height will change the resolution at the same rate. So if you want to make the image larger while resampling is turned off, the image will become blurry. This is different from changing the canvas size, which can be found next to the button for image size. Canvas size changes the total area of the image. So while changing image size raises resolution, canvas size changes the literal dimension, much like how a crop functions.